Hi everyone, Jaclyn here from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. I'm here with Adam from Conqueror 4x4 Camper Trailers. So thanks for having a chat today.
No worries.
And I would really love to know what sets Conqueror apart from all the other camper trailers on the market.
So there's a couple of things that set Conqueror apart. The first thing is all our campers include everything you need to go away camping. So fridges are included. If you go for a batwing awning, all the batwing awning walls will be included, as well as a draft skirt. You get bedding for your beds. You get all your camp chairs, so there'll be up to 4 camp chairs. A trestle table depending on which camper trailer you pick, as well as things like extension cords and tie down points and all that sort of stuff. You do also get all your cutlery and your cups and bowls and plates and things as well.
You really do get everything and the kitchen sink.
Including 2 kitchen sinks.
So you can pick this straight up and head straight off on your first
100%.
adventure, which is awesome. You don't need to go hunting around for all the extra bits to fill in the drawers.
Yeah.
Just bring a change of clothes and off you go.
Exactly right.
Fabulous.